I'm Lisa Bloom. I'm a television legal analyst, and I'm here today with my friend John Hunsucker from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And I know you're one of this nation's leading attorneys in the area of DUI, so it's great to have a chance to talk to you today.
Lisa, it's good seeing you again.
All right, you have been telling me about the Intoxilizer 8000. I'm not very familiar with this machine, but you know all about it. Why is that?
Well, supposedly it's the new and improved Intoxilizer, which is just a machine. But there's only 12 of those in private hands in the country, and I have one of those. There's only 2 in Oklahoma, and there's only 1 in Oklahoma City.
So why do you own one?
Well, we're cutting edge on DUI defense in Oklahoma. If that's what they're using, we want to know how it works. We want to be able to take it apart, and we want to know how to administer a test on it.
So if I've been arrested for DUI in Oklahoma, that's probably the machine that I've blown into?
More than likely, now, there's still some of the Intoxilizer 5000s that are still on the street, which begs the question, if we have the new and improved machine, then why are we still using the old machine?
So that's another argument you can
Correct.
use in court. All right, so if I have blown a .08 or higher, I'm feeling like all hope is lost. Are you telling me that if I call you, there's still some hope for me?
Yes, there's all types of defenses to a breath score.
Such as?
Well, it could be anything from a particular diet you may have, the machine's operating incorrectly, hasn't been maintained correctly.
And what if I've gotten out of the car and done the walking test and I did poorly on that? Is there hope for me there too?
Well, hopefully you haven't done any field sobriety tests, because field sobriety tests are basically junk science. There's no validity to them at all.
Really? And so that's an argument you can make in court to a jury?
Yes, in Oklahoma, the field sobriety test won't come in as far as the walk and turn and the one-leg stand.
Wow, all right. So what about drug offenses, in addition to alcohol offenses? If I've had prescription medication or illegal drugs and I've been arrested for driving under the influence and I call your office, what kinds of defenses might you offer for me?
Well, it's going to depend on if you were impaired at all by those drugs. It's illegal to operate a motor vehicle under the influence of drugs if it impairs your ability to operate that motor vehicle. So we're going to want to get a copy of the videotapes and look and see exactly if you were impaired or not.
Is Oklahoma tough on drunk drivers?
We are. It carries up to a year on a first-time offense.
Wow. And what other kinds of penalties or consequences are there for drunk drivers?
If you lose your driver's license, you have to put a ignition airlock device on your vehicle for 180 days.
So that's a breathalyzer you blow into and the car
To
won't
start your car, correct. And if you have a commercial driver's license, it's a 1-year disqualification, that's some of the things we explain in the Oklahoma DUI Survival Guide, which we give out to anybody that calls our office. It's a 200-page paperback that's written in layman's terms on everything you need to know about DUI defense.
And you just give that out?
We do. We wrote it for the public. It's information that's very important to our firm, that we make sure that everybody's informed.
So bottom line, if I've been arrested for DUI, why should I call your office?
Well, basically, this is all we do. When we go to court every day, we're fighting DUI cases. We're not representing child molesters or bogus check writers. We're representing citizens accused of DUI and most often wrongfully accused.
All right. Thank you so much, John.
Thank you.